How do you close a trust? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning lawyer, and today I'd like to answer that question for you because I was recently speaking with somebody who wanted to put together a trust, and they wanted to know how the trust would be closed. The answer to the question depends upon where we are in the course of the trust and what type of trust we have. If it is a revocable living trust and the person who put it together, the grantor or the settlor, is still alive, they can go ahead and take all their assets, remove all their assets out of the trust, and they can go ahead and close the trust. If the original settlor or grantor has passed away and the person who's managing the trust is a successor trustee, the trust can be closed under a number of circumstances. The first thing is you have to look at the terms of the trust and the language of the trust, and if all the actions or all the things that the grantor wanted to have with their stuff has happened, and the trustee is done with everything that the grantor asked the successor trustee to do, then the trust can be closed. You can also have a situation where the trust is down to a certain amount, and if you look at the language of the trust, many trusts will say, well, if the assets in the trust go below X, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, then the trust can be dissolved or the trust can be closed. Also, if all the beneficiaries agree to closing the trust, then the trust can be closed. So the trust can be closed by the initial grantor or settlor as long as there's no prohibition in the language at any time. The trust can be closed by a successor trustee if the trustee has done all the actions and transferred all the property within the trust. The trust can be closed if it gets below a certain amount, as long as that amount is identified in the trust. Or the trust can be closed if all the beneficiaries to the trust agree that the trust should be closed. If you have any questions regarding a Northwest Indiana estate plan, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.